In the early days of computing, we told machines exactly what to do. Every task required humans to write rigid, step-by-step instructions. But that method hits a hard wall the moment a task gets complicated. It is nearly impossible to write a mathematical recipe for recognizing a cat in a photograph, or for navigating a car through a busy intersection. At the same time, the digital age unleashed an ocean of information. Chaotic, unstructured variables poured in from everywhere, creating a scale of complexity that traditional rules-based programming cannot process. Computer scientists shifted the approach. Instead of writing the recipe themselves, they built algorithms that could ingest massive datasets and discover their own operational rules. The process is one of mathematical adaptation. The machine molds its behavior to the exact structural shape of the data it receives. Before an algorithm can learn a single thing, humans have to do a massive amount of physical, logistical work. Raw data must be painstakingly collected, cleaned, and organized. That organized information forms the foundation of supervised learning. Here, the machine receives data that already includes an explicit answer key. Every image or transaction is pre-tagged with the correct label. The algorithm chews through millions of these labeled examples. It mathematically calculates shared patterns connecting raw inputs to correct outputs, building internal logic. Once set, the model sorts brand new, unseen information down the correct pathway to the right bucket. By studying what we already know is true, the algorithm converts historical certainty into predictive power. We don't always have an answer key. In unsupervised learning, the algorithm is handed a massive pile of data with absolutely zero labels or tags. The algorithm scans the raw inputs to calculate hidden mathematical similarities and shared physical features entirely on its own. Based on that invisible gravity, the algorithm groups similar data points together in a process called clustering. It has no context for what these groups represent in the real world, only that they belong together. This hidden structural discovery drives the logic of customer segmentation and recommendation engines. When a platform suggests a movie, it is matching your profile to a cluster of similar users. The model maps out the invisible architecture hiding right beneath the surface of the raw information. In some scenarios, there is no historical data to study at all. That leads to reinforcement learning, where intelligence is generated through direct action. We drop an AI agent into a rule-bound environment and let it start making moves. It learns purely by trial and error, earning mathematical rewards for correct actions and penalties for mistakes. The agent will fail rapidly and repeatedly. Over millions of iterations, it compounds those tiny lessons, mapping out an optimal strategy to beat the system. That relentless iteration scales to the physical world, training self-driving cars to navigate a track or robotic arms to handle delicate objects. The sheer scale of these iterations allows the system to generate its own operational intelligence from the ground up. Even with all this capability, these models are never truly finished. They require rigorous, ongoing evaluation against unseen holdout data to ensure their predictions actually hold up in reality. If the training data contains historical prejudices or blind spots, the machine learning model will replicate and scale those flaws with perfect accuracy. We can measure the data going in and the predictions coming out, but the internal logic of a complex model is unreadable by human engineers. That opacity becomes a liability when we hand over decisions in high-stakes sectors like criminal justice or medical diagnostics. If an algorithm makes a critical error, we might not be able to explain the logic that led to it. These algorithms behave as mathematical mirrors. When we choose which historical patterns to feed into them, we are effectively choosing which outcomes the machine will treat as inevitable.